Welcome to INPS, where innovation meets accessibility, because an accessible world is an inclusive world. Braille and tactile accessible sign systems assist people with low or impaired vision, as well as those with vision loss, to navigate their surroundings independently and safely. These tactile and color-coded signs play a vital role in helping to remove barriers within society. In Canada, INPS adheres to the CSA Group Accessibility Design for the Built Environment document, while in the USA we follow ADA accessibility guidelines for buildings, facilities, and transportation. The Accessibility Act claims to develop clear and comprehensive standards for organizations striving to improve accessibility. INPS has been involved in numerous wayfinding projects, providing accessibility within buildings and outdoor spaces as directed by Ontario's Building Code. INPS can help your organization meet accessibility compliance standards. It's mandatory to have clear directions in areas such as public restrooms, public change rooms, elevators, stairways, and exits. Our signage team has received comprehensive training on accessibility requirements, ensuring they're equipped to meet the needs of our clients. Our installation team members are trained extensively on tactile and Braille sign wall placement, which meets compliance with regulatory standards. At INPS, we've invested in cutting-edge technology to meet accessibility signage requirements. Our AODA-compliant Braille sign printer enables direct printing to a variety of substrates, ensuring precision and quality in every sign produced. INPS, innovating accessibility, creating clearer navigation in the built environment. Contact INPS today to take proactive steps towards inclusivity and accessibility. INPS.net or 1-800-565-3509.